Hi everyone, I'm Christy Forsyth with Clarity by Christy. I am a soul therapist and an intuitive that connects with the angelic energy, and I help the helpers, the light bringers, and the soulpreneurs of this world to live their most magical life. Today, I am going to talk about probably my all-time favorite crystal because I'm so connected with the angelic energy. I'm so connected with the angels, and so I love this crystal to use to help connect with the angelic energy. It really just works really well for me. So for any of you who are looking to connect with the angels, to connect with your angels, to connect with the angelic energy, or for any of you that consider yourselves to be earth angels and you're really just needing to find balance within your energy field, this is a fantastic crystal for you. And the crystal that I'm talking about is Angellite. Okay, so this is a polished version of Angellite. You can get that polished, you can get that raw. So I really like the polished versions of Angellite just because they're really nice and smooth. This one in particular I love to use for my meditations because it just fits really nicely in my hand, and Angellite just smooths out so nicely. And it's this beautiful baby blue color, and it has such a lovely energy to it. So let's talk about what Angellite does. So first and foremost, like I said, Angellite connects you to the angelic energy. It helps you to receive the angelic energy. And when I say angelic energy, I basically mean the energy that I refer to as God's love, because angels really are just an extension of God's love. They are helpers to help shine God's love here on the earth. Okay, so whenever you are in need of receiving that unconditional love, that calm and that peace that the angels bring, Angellite is going to be a great crystal for you to use. And you can just hold it, you can get jewelry with it, you can have it setting out in your space somewhere, preferably within your energy field so you can receive the energy from it. And I always say that people's energy field is like a bubble around them. Some people have a bigger bubble, some people have a smaller bubble, but if you're energy sensitive, you may be able to feel whether you are receiving that energy or not. But we want it to be in your energy field. It can bring that sense of peace. Like I said, I like to meditate with it because it just brings me into a deeper state of peace, a deeper state of meditation. I also refer to Angellite as kind of a guardian angel crystal. Okay, so what I mean by that is, again, it comes with this angelic energy, and one of the jobs of the angels is that there are certain angels that are guardian angels that are here to protect us. And since it brings the angelic energy, it brings this protection, this feeling of protection, this actual energetic protection. And so it's a really great crystal to give someone as a gift, especially somebody that you want to be protected, to feel safe, to feel protected, to feel loved. So it's a really wonderful gift. Like I said, it also brings a beautiful sense of peace and calm. So if you're finding yourself feeling more anxious, more stressed out, it's a wonderful crystal for that. It is a great crystal for helping us to release emotional pain that we have. So anything, if you've been struggling a lot with emotions, if you've been going through a difficult time, if you have found yourself having a hard time balancing your emotions, this is a really wonderful and magical crystal for you. And if you're somebody who's just wanting to connect with your angels more so that you can connect with their messages intuitively, this is a wonderful crystal for that as well. So many uses, so many more uses to Angellite, but this is the reason that is one of my favorites, is that we can connect with this beautiful, amazing, magical energy. So that is what I have to share with you about Angellite. I'm Christy Forsyth with Clarity by Christy. If you want to learn more about me or about Clarity by Christy, check me out at discoveryourawakening.com. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure that you hit that so that you get all of my content that I'm uploading here on the channel. I always love to see your likes, your comments below. It makes me so happy whenever I see those. It just lets me know that my content is reaching you guys, and I love to hear what you think. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon with another video. Take care, guys.